Someone who's been very, I've always found special, and I will always feel he's special, is Rajkumar Hirani. Suraj ji was in his elements, and I remember he told me that your songs will last forever. Today, my Prem Ki Diwani songs I haven't heard. कसम की कसम है कसम से हमको प्यार है. Something like that, no?
सिर्फ तुमसे अब
सिर्फ तुम अब ये प्यार ना होगा फिर हमसे.
Yeah.
So I wrote these lines and he loved this
Oh,
line. This
अच्छा.
Bukra is mine. बाजीगर ओ बाजीगर चुरा के दिल मेरा, which was a song which was appreciated by Lata ji and Ashish ji. Because they said that when they heard the song, I believe Ashish ji told me this, and Lata ji told her, a composer is arrived in our midst. Now that's a huge compliment.
I would like it if you could please autograph this cassette, which is my favorite album of yours.
Okay, let me show it in the world. This is Yadein,
Yadein.
produced by Mr. Subhash Ghai and my music. And I will for COVID because we love it.
Who have been some of the most special directors you work with? I know they're all special in their own ways, but
It's very tough to say that
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I miss Manmohan Desai, I miss Mansoor Khan, because they had their own style. But someone who's been very, I've always found special, and I will always feel he's special, is Rajkumar Hirani. Because the reason why I'm saying his name is because there's a reason. Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra got him to me, and I had done Kareeb.
Kareeb, yeah.
And I remember the sitting, very unusual sitting. The first time I was to meet Raju. And Raju sir was sitting across, it's almost like this. And Vidhu said, okay, let's hear the script, the one line of the script. The first thing Raju told me was, look, I want a song which, I was taken aback. I want a song which is going to be picturized in a ward room in a hospital. I never heard this. Now, it's easy for you to also react to the song because I've already made it.
Right.
But remember,
We've seen it.
just imagine because I come to you with a situation like that. So I was thrown back. And I don't know, what is he saying? So I said, yeah, and what is the situation that this girl is going to sing a very saucy number? Because this guy who's hearing it is going to die that very night. By 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, he'll pass away. He's suffering from a terminal disease. And हम उसको सारी खुशियाँ देना चाहते हैं. Whatever he thought he could do in a lifetime, he's going to do it in a night's time. And he was not Rajkumar Hirani and all of today.
Right.
And he's documented this. He's said this on my Indian Idol show that I remember Anu Malik pacing up in his hall. So when the door was open and I was pacing up and down, and I came out with this line, Dekh le, aankhon mein aankhein daal sikh le. The moment I sang this to Raju and Vidhu Vinod Chopra, I remember Raju just catching me and said, we have the song. And then Rahat and Duri would come in and write what fabulous lyrics. He liked the line, da 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 da, the way I made the tune, Banne se pehle jeena, and I laughed. Sikh le, ururalalalam. So he loved it. So I found Raju, I miss him. And of course, today I would say that Mr. JB Saab got some great work. Unfortunately, Feroz Khan's film didn't do well, Premagan.
Yeah.
But that music had.
It's very good.
तेरे प्यार की आग में मेरा दिल दिन रात सुलगता रहता.
Right.
So he had his own sense of music. And he loved his own sense of, he had a style for poetry.
Yeah.
There's a particular line, Covid. मालूम हुआ क्यों सीने से धुआं सा निकलता रहता है. And then we had a great jodi with Abbas Mastan, right from Bazigar, which came in my first film.
Right.
To what I did for Farah Khan and Mehuna.
Yeah, of course.
And the songs I remembered even today. And
and you also worked with Suraj ji, for whom music is a huge part of his film.
You know, not only I worked with him, I think there are two more directors. One was Santosh Sivan, if you remember, Ashoka.
Of course, yeah.
Santosh Sivan took out some great stuff from me in Ashoka.
Yeah.
And Suraj ji was in his elements. And I remember he told me that your songs will last forever. Today, my Prem Ki Diwani songs I haven't heard. Kasam की कसम है कसम से हमको प्यार है Something like that, no?
सिर्फ
सिर्फ तुम अब ये प्यार ना होगा फिर हमसे.
Yeah.
So I wrote these lines and he loved this
Oh,
line. This
अच्छा.
Bukra is mine. And he said I just freaked out. कसम की कसम है कसम से.
Yeah.
हमको प्यार है सिर्फ तुमसे. अब ये प्यार ना होगा फिर हमसे. I mean, I can't fall in love again.
I think that summarizes the movie pretty much in one.
Yeah,
one
my Prem Ki
sentence.
Diwali.
Yeah.
It was fabulous. I love the film. I love Suraj as a director, as a person.
Yeah.
And
In fact, we were at Juhu Beach today, and we were at one of the chart counters, and they were playing "Teri Zindagi Mein Chali Aaye, Chali Aaye."
Lovely.
Yeah.
It has its own vibe, man. And then, of course, I had an interesting journey with Rakesh Behra in Aks, if you remember.
Yes, of course.
Ye
Danda Ye
raat
Danda Se-
jaldi
yeah.
ke chip ke- So if you go back to my music, Gulzar Saab and his elements in Fiza, Jaane Man,
And of course, you worked with Mr. Ghai on what is my favorite album of yours,
Yaadein.
which is Yaadein.
yeah, that song. Nagme hai, shikwe hai, kisse hai baatein hai, yaadein dur dar.
Yeah, beautiful.
Subhash
song.
Ghai also has this sense of music, and so it goes on. The list is endless. Many people, the best part is they keep on asking me, "Oh, Ashoka is yours," because I'm not blown my trumpet about saying that. I have to say it now.
Yeah.
Many people didn't even know Ashoka is composed by me.
I didn't either till a long time.
Like, yeah, many people didn't know that Ashoka is mine. Fiza, Filhal,
Yeah.
with Meghna
Ye
Gulzar.
Lamha
And
Firazi
the
in it,
interesting thing about my life has been that the people who started the lives, journeys,
Yeah.
as first-time filmmakers, have started lives with me. You haven't asked me this question, but it's interesting. Like Rakesh Behra's first film, Aks, I'm the composer.
Farah.
Filhal, Meghna Gulzar's first film as a composer. If you remember the song. ले चले डोलियों में तुम्हें
Beautiful poem.
गड़ेरा करो उंगलियों में पहन लो ये रिश्ता और वादा करो. And she used to love the line. हुआ 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 देवा देवा देवा. I used to do like that.
Yeah.
So Meghna, Rajkumar Hirani's first
Of
film.
course. Yeah.
Munna Bhai MBBS. Like he freaked out on that word. Bole to. Dang, 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 dang.
It became
Dang, dang.
iconic.
Yeah, and he used this piece in the next Munna Bhai. Unfortunately, I was not there, but
And
You-
even in Sanju, there's a little portion where it
yeah, they
plays.
used that.
Yeah.
Dang, dang, dang.
Yeah.
Dang, dang, da, da, dang. So they love the way
Yeah.
directors started the careers.
Yeah.
Ken Ghosh.
Yeah.
Ishq,
Right.
Ishq, pyar. And when many people didn't even know that Ishq was mine, that Ishq, that song.
Mr. Lavanova.
Na main janu,
Na tu jaan.
main daro, daru dane, ishq hua. And then I enjoyed working with Priyadarshan, if you remember Virasat.
Of course.
Tare hai barati jadani hai ye bar. So the list is endless, and I still feel I've got a lot more to give. Depends on the opportunities. I'm a man who never shies from asking work. I'm famous for asking work.
Yeah.
Not because I'm desperate. It's that many people don't understand me. Some people who understand me take out the best from me. Is because I believe that I've got a lot to offer in terms of tune. And I can't play the game which people play. So I believe in just going up straight and saying, "Hi, this is me, Anu Malik. Love to work with you." There are many directors I would love to work with. And I would love to work with Aditya Chopra as a director.
Right. Right.
I mean, he's been great. He's doing
Sure. Sure.
2 films, but I would love to work with him. I would love to work with Karan Johar as a director again.
As a director.
Yeah, because I think I could do something. I would love to work with Ashutosh Yuvatrigar as a director again.
Yeah.
I would have wanted to work desperately with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, but then he became a composer. So now we
Yeah,
now we're his good
yeah.
friends.
Yeah.
So it's like me
Right.
praising his music, which he really comes out with great songs.
He does. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's funny, but I would have later on wanted desperately trying to work with Raj Kapoor. I was just hardly 16, 17, I was playing
Yeah.
songs to him.
Yeah.
So these are people, the makers, K. Asif, Mehboob Saab, and when I see old, earlier films, I wonder, wow, what a great time, what great settings, what great music.
Yeah.
I mean, the man I wanted to keep till the last to mention him is the man Mahesh Bhatt, who you didn't mention because there were so many directors I worked with.
Sure.
But he's one of the greatest I've met as a young being also. He was the one who brought me back with Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aayi. Those song like Tere Dar Pe Sanam Chale Aaye.
Beautiful song.
And Baad Mein Chup Rahe Chaat Ki Hua. Then I did Chahat, Naraz, Na Chais with him. But today people point out those songs to me. It's not a system. I would want Mahesh, but I mean, he's directly a film, but I'm not there in it. But I would love it that because he loves poetry. And I love composing on great poetry. in terms of really turning a corner, would be Bazigar or Bazigar, Chura Ke Dil Mera, which was a song which was appreciated by Lata ji and Asha ji. Because they said that when they heard this song, I believe Asha ji told me this, and Lata ji told her, a composer has arrived in our midst. Now that's a huge compliment.
Coming from
the
her.
song, because it isn't abro abro. Normally all the songs that start the this abro.
Yeah.
Or I read it in a descending order. Chura
Ah, it started. You're right. You're right.
ke dil mera Goriya, and I'm
Yeah.
so I got it a different style.
Sure.
And I have to have a stand that not many composers tried that. I touched the high note and brought it into a pokra.
Yeah.
So I was lacking my to find something good.
Before we leave, I have one favor to ask of you. I would like it if you could please autograph this cassette, which is my favorite album of yours. I mean, I like a lot of your albums, but this is definitely my favorite one.
Okay, let me show it to the world. This is Yaze,
Yade.
produced by Mr. Subhash Ghai and my music. And I will for COVID because you love it. नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किससे हैं बातें हैं, यादें दूर. Yeah, there have been some great memories with great directors,
Yeah.
great singers, great lyric writers,
Great Yade.
great yades, and many more to come.
Many more to come. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you, Kohit.
Really
What a
appreciate
pleasure.
taking
What
up
a
the time.
pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Shah Rukh and then Amir, they had their own charm. But Salman had that extra bite or something which made me come out with "Ek garam chai ki pyali ho," and the way he moved. So I enjoyed working with Salman and Sajid, the Dead Wala. I got this tune first in my head, which came into my head was "Ae guzarne wali hawa bata." The tune hit me. And within 7.5 minutes, I had the tune. And JP Saab jumped and Javed Saab jumped. And I remember Javed Saab taking my autograph on a cassette and saying, you know, you have made this song in 7.5 minutes flat. So I saw the motorbikes and chains and all. So I just wrote that word. Sailaro, sailare, kya bola phir bolare. Sailaro, sailare. And then I remember Mansoor jumping. I said, this is what I like. This is the hook.